We're firing up the stove to transform iconic tandoori chicken into a smoky BLT. It's a sandwich you never knew you needed. Sandwiches are one of my favorite meals. They're easy, they're fast, they're portable, and today I'm going to show you my twist on a classic BLT, the bacon, lettuce, and tomato. So one day I happened to have leftover tandoori chicken that I snuck into my BLT, and let me tell you, the flavors were magic, so much so that I had to share this recipe with you, okay? So the very first thing that we're gonna do is marinate our chicken so that it gets nice and juicy and flavorful. So to a bowl, I'm gonna add a little bit of yogurt and grate in some ginger and some fresh garlic. I love the acidity of fresh lemon, and now we're gonna have fun with some spices. Garam masala, cayenne chili, nutmeg, kasoori methi, a little bit of red food coloring, and salt to taste. Now we're gonna whisk everything together until it's nice and smooth. You can really see that beautiful tandoori red come to life. Now I'm gonna add my chicken breast and mix to coat. We're gonna marinate the chicken for a minimum of 3 hours to overnight for maximum flavor in my KitchenAid multi-door freestanding fridge. The 5-door configuration allows me to store all my ingredients within ready sight and easy reach. So my chicken has marinated, it's good to go, and now we're gonna pop it into the oven of my beautiful KitchenAid commercial range. I've preheated the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna bake it for about 30 minutes or until it's slightly charred on the outside and cook through to the middle. While our chicken is baking, I'm going to crisp up some bacon. I love this stove because of its ultra-power dual flame burners with precise control of powerful highs, steady lows, and which allows me to control the temperature very precisely. So I'm going to start my bacon in a cold pan and increase the heat to medium-low. This is my biggest tip for getting your bacon extra crispy because the fat renders out slowly. Then I'll give it a flip to crisp it up on the other side and then drain on some paper towel. So all of our components are ready and I am so excited because it is time to assemble. This means that I am one step closer to eating this sandwich, okay? So the very first thing that we're gonna do is take a little bit of mayo and spread it on the bottom of one piece of bread that I've toasted up. Now a few leaves of lettuce on top and a juicy slice of tomato. I'm gonna top with the tandoori chicken, all that crispy bacon, and the top piece of toast. And just like that, our tandoori chicken BLT is ready. Now it's time for the long-awaited taste. Look at this sandwich. It is a chunky one. You have the tandoori chicken in there, the crispy bacon, the tomato, the lettuce. Let's give it a taste, okay? What a combo. You guys. Now that's a sandwich, okay? This sandwich is so good. And the very first thing that you get when you bite in are all the classic flavors of a BLT. So the smoky bacon, the juicy tomato, the crisp lettuce, and then all of a sudden it's as if the phone's ringing and you're like, hello? And it's India on the other line because there's tandoori chicken in the sandwich. And it's perfect because it's charred on the outside, which pairs with the bacon so beautifully. It's juicy and tender, and all those spices come together beautifully. Now, the next time you're looking to switch up your sandwich game and do something a little different, consider my tandoori chicken BLT. You won't regret it. And if you're looking to learn a little more about my beautiful kitchen appliances from KitchenAid, be sure to hit the link in the description below.